Hello everyone. Today we are going to solve the exercise of 10.3 of class 6, that is mensuration. Now in this chapter we'll discuss about the area and related with and the question related with area and perimeter, how we can use it. Now let's discuss. We have taken a question, that is the question number 4. It says that the area of a rectangular garden is 50 meter long, is 300 square meter. Find the width of the garden. That means what? In this particular question we have already rectangular garden is given and their area is already given to us, and they are asking for the length of the breadth. Length of the breadth, what is that? So basically if the garden is rectangular and their area is already given, that means we can say that how we can find out the area of a rectangular part. So area of rectangular garden will be length into breadth. Here both the things are mentioned already, that is area is given 300 meter square and the length is also given 50 meter. So we can easily find out. We just put the values what are given in the question, and after putting the values we can find out what is the value for the breadth. We have taken, just we don't know about what is the breadth of rectangular garden, so we have taken as a part x. So now putting the value easily, this 50 will be transferred to upon the 300 and this will be cut shorted. It will cut by 6 times. So what will be the value of x? That means this rectangular garden has a width of 6 meter. This will be a answer. Now come to the next question. The next question says that a room is 4 meter long and 3 meter 50 centimeter wide. How many square meter of carpet is needed to cover the floor of the room? Here see, suppose this is a room and the internal part where we have to kept the carpet, here I mentioned. So this is also quite similar question, but the different thing that is here they are mentioned the dimension in the 2 units, that is one is meter and another one is centimeter. So as we all know that 1 meter is equals to how many centimeters? So 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter, but here it is mentioned that 3 meter and 50 centimeter. That means we also can write 3 meter and 50 centimeter in a single unit, that will be 3.5 meter. So I have converted into a single unit. Now the length and breadth both are in a single unit, that is meter. So we can say that the length of the room is 4 meter and their width is 3.5 meter. Now we have to find out how much carpet is required for the room. So how much carpet we required? We basically required what is the area of the room, that will be the requirement of the carpet. So we have taken the required carpet will be area of a room. So this is also a rectangular room. So what is the area for a rectangular field? So it is length into breadth. So it will be 4 into 3.5. If you simply multiply 4 with the 3.5, so you will get 14 meter square. See, this 14 meter square is the area of room, and we also can say that this 14 meter square of carpet is required to cover the whole room. This will be the answer for the question number 7. Now come to the next question, that is question number 8. Now what is in the question number 8, that is a floor is 5 meter long and 4 meter wide. A square carpet of side 3 meter is laid on the floor. Find the area of the floor that is not carpeted. That means there are two things are already given, that suppose this is a floor and this floor is in the form of a rectangular part, and a square part of carpet is kept in the floor. So we have given the dimensions of the floor and carpet also. This is that if this is the floor of 5 meter long and 4 meter wide and a carpet of in a square form, and the side of that particular square is 3 meter is kept on the floor, and we have to find out the area, that means this part, only this part which is not carpeted. So which is not carpeted, how we can find out? We easily can find out if you first find out the whole area of the floor, and if you find out the whole area of the carpet, and if we simply subtract this part from the whole part, so the remaining part will be this part which is not carpeted. So we'll do the simple that thing, that area of floor. First we take out the area of floor. What is the area of floor? Area of floor is, this is also a rectangular field, so that will, what will be the area of floor? It will be length into breadth. What is the length? That is 5 meter. And what is the breadth? That is 4 meter. So it will be 5 into 4, 20 meter square is the area of this particular floor. And what is the area of carpet? So carpet is in the form of a square form. So what is the area of square? The area of square is side square or a square. Side square or a square. So what is the length of a side of a square? That is 3 meter. So if you square 3, it will be 9 meter. So the complete floor is of 20 meter, and the 20 meter square, and the area of and the carpet is 9 meter square. So if we simply subtract 9 meter square from 20 meter square, so you will get 11 meter of square. This 11 meter of square is the area that is not carpeted on the floor. This will be the answer for the question number 8.